আচ্ছা লাস্ট ক্লাস আমি যিখিনি চাইছিলো তাত আমাৰ কি কি আছিলে এইকেইটা তোমাৰ in inbuilt dash or dash attached to the computer directly. Okay, next তোমাৰ কি আছিলে storage area network, ইয়াত তোমাৰ NAS টো সোমাই যায় network. ওকে এৰিয়া storage আৰু তোমাৰ এটা সৰি SAN আৰু NAS তোমাৰ দুটা সোমাই যায় ইয়াৰ আন্ডাৰত ঠিক আছে। নেক্সট আমাৰ কি আছিলে কোৱা যেতিয়া তুমি কি কি কৰিবা NAS তুমি কানেক্ট কৰিবা সাৰ্ভাৰৰ লগত you need the communication media, right? তুমি কি কৰিব পাৰা কোৱা either fiber channel or ethernet IP you are going to use. যদি তুমি এটি ফাইবার চ্যানেল ইউজ কৰা কি বুলি ক'ব কোৱা তোমাৰ FCCN, okay? আৰু যদি তুমি একো ইন্টারনেট কানেক্ট কৰা then this is called what the internet SCSI or the ISCSI. So this is most popular nowadays. Okay, in the streaming domain, whatever data is being transferred, so we all using the this IPSAN, so this internet SCSI. Okay, so at তিনটা আছে তোমাৰ ট্ৰেডিশনাল ষ্টৰেজ ভলিউম মডেল, সফটওয়্যার ডিফাইন্ড ষ্টৰেজ মডেল আৰু তোমাৰ vSphere ষ্টৰেজ APIs, ঠিক আছে। তো এইখিনি হৈ গ'ল, today we will see about this one, software defined storage. In addition to abstracting underlying storage capabilities from VMs, as traditional storage module do, software defined storage abstract storage capabilities. Okay, so আগতে আমি কি চাইছিলো কোৱা তোমাৰ CPU virtualization, okay, LAN virtualization বা তোমাৰ memory virtualization. Okay, now through this we can virtualize our software, sorry, the hardware pool. Okay, you hard disk can be virtualized or make it abstraction. With the software-defined storage model, a virtual machine became a unit of storage provisioning and can be managed through flexible policy-based mechanism. Okay, the model involved the following vSphere technology. Kiki Baba Guadmar, first you'll find what the VMware vSphere virtual volumes. Okay, আচ্ছা ভলিউম মানে বুজি পোৱা নাই কোৱাচোন তোমালোকে ভলিউম ভলিউম তোমাৰ কি হৈছে তোমাৰ যেতিয়া তুমি এখন ৰ হাৰ্ড ডিস্ক তুমি আনিবা মাৰ্কেটৰ পৰা, ঠিক আছে, তাত তুমি যেতিয়া ড্ৰাইভ বনাবা দেন ইট বিকেম দ্য ভলিউমছ। অ'কে, তাৰমানে তোমাৰ এলোকেটেড যিখিনি তোমাৰ মেমৰি স্পেচ থাকে তোমাৰ যিকোনো মিডিয়াত, দিছ স্পেচ ইজ কল্ড বাট দ্য ভলিউমছ। অ'কে, এতিয়া চোৱা যদি তুমি ভলিউমটো যদি ভাৰ্চুৱেলি ক্ৰিয়েট কৰা দেন দিছ ইজ হোৱাট দ্য ভাৰ্চুৱেল ভলিউম। অ'কে, চোৱা দ্য vFalls functionality changes the storage management paradigm from managing space inside data stores to managing abstract storage object handled by the storage array. Okay, with vFalls the individual virtual machine, okay, not the data store, became a unit of storage management, and storage hardware gain complete control over virtual disk content layout and the management. But he also exactly same to that of the physical volume, but this is managed by, okay, some virtualized manner. So this is called what the V volumes or the V falls. So যদি detail লাগে তোমাক ইয়াৰ ওপৰত then you can go through this thing. Okay, so what is vVol? Let us explore this first. So with vFalls, an individual virtual machine, not the data store, became a unit of storage management. Okay, যিমানবিলাক তুমি VM ক্ৰিয়েট কৰিবা, so these all are now act as a storage management center. Okay. While storage hardware gain complete control over virtual disk layout and the management. Okay. Here what tomorrow, while storage hardware gain complete control over virtual disk content layout and the management. Okay. Historically, vSphere storage management use the data store centric approach. So ইমান ডিটেইলত তোমাৰ এইবিলাক দৰকাৰ নাই. Okay, ইয়াত তোমাৰ কি চাবা, এইটো চাব পৰা, with this approach storage administrator and the vSphere administrator discuss, okay, in advance the underlying storage requirement for the virtual machine. Okay, the storage administrator then set up LANs and NFS share and present them to ESXi host. Okay, this is important. Actually, what the how storage is virtually allocated to the virtual machine. Okay, so first of all, what they will do, first of all, the vSphere, that means the host administrator and the, okay, storage administrator will make some plan. Okay, accordingly they will share the storage to the or to the ESXi host. That means all the virtual machines which is created on top of it. Okay. The vSphere administrator create data store based on LANs and NFS. Okay, why? Because we are going to share this volume. Okay, not, this is not directly used by the one person. Okay, so this is shared through the LAN or the internet. Okay, and uses this data store as a virtual machine storage. আৰু এইটো তুমি কি কৰোঁ তোমাৰ চোৱা, it is used as a virtual machine storage. Okay, this is exactly same to that of your DAS or the traditional NAS environment. Okay, there everything is come in a physical mode, right? But here all come in a virtual mode. Okay, first of all, you will have to create the virtual machine and some memory will attach to this virtual machine so that users can store their important data. Okay, typically the data store is the lowest granularity level at which data management occur from the storage perspective. Okay, so regarding this granularity, I think you know it. Okay, so there are different point was there, recovery point objective, recovery time objective. Okay, RPU, RPU, and this. So these all are the granularity. Okay, so in this paragraph, please have a look to inform here with this approach up to this part. This is enough for you. Okay, with up from this point to this. Okay, again please see this type paragraphs. এটা এখানে চালে হৈ যাব, ঠিক আছে, from this to the this part up to storage, and here this one. The vFalls maps virtual disk and their directives, clones, snapshots, and replicas directly to object called virtual body on a storage system. This mapping allows vSphere to offload intensive storage operations such as snapshot cloning and replication of the storage system. Okay, so this paragraph is also important. So ये दोनों paragraph देखने से हो जाएगा. Okay, now if I ask you what is V volume, then I will tell you something like this. That means the storage tool which is created virtually, okay, on the existing storage and attached to the virtual machine for working. This is our virtual volume. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now please let's see some of the protocols. এইখিনি তোমালোকে নোট বনাই আছা ন, ইয়াতে যিমানখিনি মই দিছিলোঁ সিদিনা তোমাৰ গোটেইখিনি নোট বনাই দিয়া তোমালোকে, মই এটা ডিছকাশ্যন কৰি দিছোঁ, আইডিয়া এটা পাবা. okay, ইয়াতে তোমাৰ ইমান ডিটেইল যাব নালাগে, এইটা চাই ল'বা। VFall support NFS version 3 4.1 ice cassie fiber channel and FCE. Okay, that means all the data transfer must be done with the help of the all these traditional protocol. Okay, just like the NFS, iSCSI, fiber channel and the FCOE. Okay, so these all are the protocol through which you are going to transfer data between the virtual machine and the virtual volume. Okay, if you can remember, whenever we learn about a traditional storage, if you want to store data from server, okay, to the storage array in the form of NAS or SAN, we are using the protocol is this NFS, iSCSI or the FCOE. Okay, now you can see in case of the virtual also, you are using the exactly same process of protocol. Okay, no matter which storage protocol is used, protocol endpoints provide uniform access to both SAN and NAS storage. Okay, a virtual volume like a file on other traditional data store is presented to a virtual machine such as SCSI disk. This is for your information. This is good, but in exam, if the question come directly come this type of okay. Virtual volume support what type of protocols? Okay, always remember NFS version 3 and 4.1, iSCSI, fiber channels, and the FCOE. What are they? They are the protocols through which we are going to send our data generated okay in the virtual machine to the virtual volume. Okay. Okay, let us see one thing, the snapshot. Okay. So what is meant by the snapshot? Okay, how many of you take your data in a regular interval backup? Okay, I think all of you take your data backup for the recovery and all. Okay, snapshot is a mechanism through which suppose at this what a 9:49 or a 9:50 a.m. I am doing something in my computer. Okay, and I am doing some important task, and my PC is very much vulnerable to the threats. That means at any moment of time it can be corrupt. So what we do? We will make the regular snapshot. Suppose I am taking a snapshot at 9:50. Okay, now if my PCs get corrupted at 9:55, that means I can restore my PC up to the no longer taken snapshot. Okay, so it will what the make our data loss minimal. Okay, now what is snapshot? Now I think you know about the advantage of snapshot. Okay, snapshot means what? See, suppose you are in a room. In your room, there are 10 different persons doing different lots of work. Okay. Now, if you take a camera clip or a snapshot in the room, that means what? At that particular moment, what person is doing what different tasks can be known. Okay, or a register. So in the same way, in the computer also at a particular moment of time, what are the different tasks going on can be taken okay as a record, and this record is known as what a snapshot. Okay, in this virtualized environment snapshot is very much important because see suppose I have made some configuration of the snapshot, oh sorry, in the PC. Now if someone asks me, so please give you what a computer status, so instead of writing all these things you can make a snapshot or clone. Okay, क्लोन और स्नैपशॉट ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर है। ओके, तो क्लोन करने से क्या होगा बोलो, तुम्हारा पीसी का जो स्टेट है एग्जैक्टली सेम स्टेट में तुमने और एक चीज बना लिया। ठीक है, तो जो सेटिंग इस पीसी में रेडी था इसको दूसरा पीसी में जाके नहीं करना है। ओके, directly you can deploy from this point. So this is the advantage of your snapshot and the clone. Okay, just before these two technology, one technology was there, this called the restore point. Okay, even in today's Windows PC, we always find the restore point. Okay, that means if my PCs get corrupted at some point, we can bring back our PC to a certain previous point. Okay, so that we can resume from this task. At least suppose your PC have data of 6 months. Okay, now suddenly your PC get corrupted to that 955. Okay, if you take the snapshot or restore point at say 950, from 950 till the last first that you are using, all data are secure. Okay, so these are the benefits of being a snapshot. Okay, so I do the snapshot preserve the state and data of a virtual machine. Okay, see, preserve the state. Okay, that means in your room there are 20 people are working something. That means this state can be captured. Okay, and data of a virtual machine at the time you take the snapshot. Okay, snapshots are useful when you must revert repeatedly, okay, to the same virtual machine state. ठीक है, सपोज मुझे 950 में मेरा पीसी खराब हुआ, ठीक है, now I want to bring back to the 949, okay, not 950, so that मुझे exactly वो पोजीशन चाहिए, ठीक है, ऐसा वाला, so I can bring back to the previous state using the snapshot. But you do not want to create multiple virtual machines. Okay, partial volume snapshots serve many purpose. You can use them to create what a Q usage copy or for backup or archival purpose. ওকে, এটা একদম কমন প্র্যাকটিস চাবা, আমি বিয়া বা বার্থডেত আমি ফটো কিয় মাৰো, ওকে, দিস অল আর আওয়ার আর্কাইভাল ডাটা. ওকে, দ্যাট মিনস at the age of 3, if someone take your snapshot at this age, he can show you. See, তুমি থার্ড বার্থডে এনেকুৱা আছিলা, তুমি এনেকে কেক খাইছিলা, এইটো কাপোৰ তোমাক দিছিলো, ঠিক আছে, so these all are the archival data. ওকে, আর্কাইভাল ডাটা তোমার আর তোমার রেগুলার ডাটা ডিফারেন্স কি হয় চোৱা, regular data is required to the running the business. Okay, archival data is not something like this. Okay, this is the historical data. If you go to the museum, we all find the archival data. That means how our ancient peoples are working. That means if we want to know about the state of this particular moment, then I must need the snapshot. Okay, for or the archival data. Okay, so this one, these snapshots are used for the archival purpose. Okay, and the backup, obviously the backup. Okay, again the same scenario you can take. If your PC is corrupted at 955, that means you cannot tolerate this much of losses. Okay, at least up to some granularity level you can expect your data. Okay, so snapshot will be helpful. Okay, और इसका क्या क्या काम है बोलो, you can use, please remember this important, you can use snapshot, okay, to create a usage copy for backup or archival purpose, okay, or to create a test and rollback environment for application. Okay, test and rollback. Okay, suppose कुछ एक मैंने प्लेस किया, तो मेरा पीसी व्हाट माय पीसी इज नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपर्ली एज माय एक्सपेक्टेशन, राइट, सो यू कैन रूल बैक दैट स्टेट. ओके, डीबीएमएस में हमने किया था ना. Okay, what in the DBMS you have done, if suppose you are putting one query or some operation, okay, if you are not satisfied with this operation, you can roll back it. Okay, see, rollback can be done if you have the previous state. अगर previous state हमारे पास नहीं है, then we cannot go for the rolling it back. Okay, so this one, rollback environment for application. You can also use them for to provision application image in the intent instantly. Okay, so these all are the purpose of taking the snapshots. Mainly this one, to create a QoS copy for backup and archival, or to create a test and rollback environment for applications. Okay, in free fall or a virtual volume environment, snapshots are managed by ESXi and the vCenter server. Okay, yeah. Once you join the physical classes, I will show you how you can take the snapshot of your virtual machine using any of the hypervisor. Okay, either Oracle VirtualBox or this one, what a VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so whenever you create these things, if you are doing your task using the standalone architecture, then it is stored at the ESXi host. Okay, and if you are doing it using the centralized cluster solution from the vCenter server, then this is stored inside the vCenter server or the personal what a this is what a personalized memory. Okay, so that's why they did the snapshot are managed by ESXi and the vCenter server, but are performed by storage area. Okay, this question may come where you are going to manage your snapshots, either ESXi and the vCenter. If you are in the environment is a standalone environment, then you go for the ESXi host. Okay, where the ESXi is installed. Okay, and if you are going in a centralized cluster based architecture, then you will go towards the this one, towards this one. Okay, vCenter server. See, each snapshot create an extra virtual volume object. Okay, snapshot or memory virtual machine that holds the content of the virtual machine memory. Okay, that's why we can roll back to a certain state. ठीक है, इसका मेमोरी रहता है. ठीक है, originally virtual machine data is copied to this object and to remain read-only, which prevent the guest operating system from writing to snapshot. Okay, that means if you take one snapshot of a particular room, what you can assume that you can assume that you cannot make any modification. Okay, but now what nowadays this is something different. Using digital the image processing, you can make different lots of changes. You can change the background and all. Okay, you are taking the snapshot using one SLR camera, not the DSLR. Okay, the previous one reel based SLR camera. Okay, if you take the snapshot using this SLR camera, that means at that snapshot you cannot make any modification. Okay, so why this is required? Because I want that particular state. Okay, for my different purposes. That's why they are taking. So these snapshots are totally separated, least what are kept in another object. Okay, in an isolation mode from the guest operating system. Okay, so that this snapshot cannot be corrupted or updated or modified by the guest operating system. Okay, original virtual machine data is copied, okay, to this object and it remain read only. Okay, वन कैन सी दिस थिंग बट कैन नॉट राइट. देखो अगर इसमें राइट कर देगा तो क्या होगा, फिर से करप्टेड चीज इसमें चला जाएगा. सो दिस कैन नॉट बी अपडेटेड ओनली वन टाइम, which prevents the guest operating system from writing the snapshot. You cannot resize the snapshot partial volume. That means जो मैंने लिया था वही है. ठीक है, अगर मेरा एसएलआर कैमरे से लिया गया फोटो में 20 पीपल था तो इसमें 20 ही रहेगा. ठीक है, ये जो शादी ये सब में फोटो लेते हैं ना, इसका कारण वही है. ठीक है, कल नए आगे कोई दूसरा लड़की आके बोलेगा ना मेरे साथ शादी हुआ था. Okay, if you take the snapshot at that moment, that means everyone know. So these all are the witness. Okay, on that day, in front of this witness, this boy and this girl get married. Okay, এটা বুঝি পালানে কোয়াশন বিয়ার যে আমি ফটো লো তোমার কারণ তো কি তোমার, this is not only for the archival. Okay, this is our security purpose also.
Yes, sir.
শুনি আছে না তোমালোকে? আছা ন গোটেইকেইটা?
Oh, sir, sir.
আচ্ছা, স্ন্যাপশট বুঝি পালা
sir.
কোৱাচোন?
ভালো স্যার।
পালা ন
পাইছো স্যার।
একদম সিম্পল ঠিক আছে তুমি সাপোজ বিয়াত গৈছা তুমি ফটো মাৰি আছা ঠিক আছে দিছ ইজ স্নেপশ্বট এটা আমি কি কাউণ্ট মাৰো কোৱা তোমাৰ তুমি চাবাচোন এই বিয়াত যেতিয়া ফটো থাকে মই আছো নে দেখুৱাচোন দ্যাট মিনছ হোৱাট দিছ দ্য প্ৰুফ okay at that state at that moment all these persons are present in these different poses okay and by default this cannot be modified but in this digital era we can make any changes any girl can be added by replacing the original the bride and grooms and all okay we can make any changes but it's something like this okay typically when you replicate the VM each snapshot virtual machine also replicated so very simple okay Salvo architecture আজি আমি তোমাৰ এটা ৰুমত তোমাৰ তিনজন মানুহৰ ক্লাছ লৈ আছো কোনে কোনে কাৰ কথা শুনিছে নাজানো আৰু তোমালোকে কি মোৰে শুনি আছা নে
স্যার
বেলেগ
ইকো
শুনিছা
হয়ে আছে তো এই কারণে।
হা হা
ইকো হয়ে আছে স্যার অলপ অলপ।
অ এই ষ্টাফ ৰুমৰ পৰা তিনি চাৰিজনে ক্লাছ লৈ আছো অ'কে চি দিছ ইজ দ্য আৰ্কিটেকচাৰ অফ ইউৰ স্নেপশ্বট কেনেকৈ ল'বা চাব পাৰা ঠিক আছে এইখিনি চাব পাৰিবানে কোৱাচোন প্লিজ গো থ্ৰু ইট অ'কে অৰ আই উইল শ্ব' ইউ ইয়াতে তোমাৰ ভিডিঅ' কৰিও দিয়া আছে কেনেকৈ হয় তোমাৰ থ্ৰু এনিমেশ্যন দে হেভ শ্ব'ন ইট অ'কে দে আৰ ইউজিং দ্য ফ্ৰী স্পেয়াৰ এনভাইৰনমেণ্ট অ'কে এইখিনি চাই লোৱা এবাৰ গোটেইখিনি ওৱান প্লিজ গো থ্ৰু ইট if you find anything difficult then I will definitely help you okay configure v volumes okay if you want it then go for this one लेकिन हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतना हमको नहीं देगा ठीक है बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव एनी स्टोरेज एरे ठीक है अगर स्टोरेज एरे नहीं है तो मतलब ये सब करने के लिए मिनिमम तुम्हारा 2-3 रिडंडेंट डाटा स्टोरेज सेट चाहिए बिकॉज यू आर गोइंग टू क्रिएट द व्हाट द रेप्लिकेशन ऑफ वन अनदर ओके हमारे पास तो अभी एक ही हार्ड डिस्क है ना इसको तुम क्या रेप्लिकेट करोगे okay if you find that proper any infrastructure then only you can go for this type of operation okay, still you please go through these things you will get some idea okay
ওকে স্যার।
আচ্ছা কোন কোন প্রেজেন্টেশন অ্যাড্রেসটি দি দিবা ঠিক আছে এডিস তোমার স্ন্যাপস হলো দি দিয়া এটা গ্রুপত মই তারপর দি দিব কিন্তু 12 জন আছে ন okay so this is all about your virtual volumes okay so virtual volume of the break করে তুমি সব ফার্স্ট কেস লিখবা first of all you have to know the volumes okay volume কি আছে whenever you buy or bring some raw storage okay so if we are make some partition or make it ready for storing the data then it became the volumes okay now and if you are creating this volume virtually then it is the virtual volume and always remember these virtual volumes are attached to the virtual machines okay to store and retrieve data generated in the virtual machines okay and for all these different purposes to measure for to get the states and all we take the snapshot create the clone okay replicas and all so this is in short about the this one okay virtual volumes okay next we'll go towards the VMware vSAN okay so কি দিছে তোমাৰ vSAN আচ্ছা কাম করো আজি এতে হ'ব দে ৰাখিছো ঠিক আছে next class will continue from the virtual SAN